everyone! So this video is especially for you, ramen lover. Some of you might know where it is. So today I come to the Ramen Museum in Yokohama, and then we are now going to the down floor basement 2 to enjoy and compare the ramen. Let's go! Yes, you're right. We went to Ramen Museum. To go there, it takes about 1.5 hours from Tokyo. And that day, I went there with my family and with my friends from Switzerland. So I was so excited to introduce ramen to them. There are 9 ramen shops there, and they are showcased in a streetscape replication from the year 1958, Japan. And it was in this year that the world's first instant ramen was invented. And this shows the waiting time to enter the restaurant. We went there just before the opening, so it was not so bad. And we usually buy the ticket from the machine. So we decided to go to Komurasaki, which is famous for pork bone broth and chicken soup broth. And this ramen came from Kumamoto Prefecture, which is located in Kyushu area. I really liked the chopped and fried garlic. It goes well with the soup. So now let's try the gluten-free ramen. And the noodle is made of rice. So these days, many travelers come to Japan, so they created the gluten-free ramen. I'm always surprised so many ramen lovers in the world. My friends also liked the ramen, so I'm so happy. So this is a field trip, it's a full research. So we decided to try another ramen. And then while queuing, they let me film the other areas. They are so kind. And then in the other area, you'll see the old-fashioned Japanese sweets. When I was a child, there's a shop in my neighborhood, so I went there after school. So in these ramen museums, you can feel the old nostalgic Japan. Please enjoy it. Okay, now I have to go back. I think queue is getting shorter. Let me see, what shall I try next? So this time we tried Ryu Shanghai Honten. And according to the website, they serve one-of-the-kind seafood-based, richy concentrated miso ramen. So I'm so excited to try this one. It seems the noodles are folded over 32 times. And this red bowl is the secret of this ramen. And it's a raw, hot, spicy miso. There it is. That's the secret. In other area of museum, you can learn the history, how ramen was developed, or what kind of tools we use to make ramen. And this is an old-style movable ramen shop. And this is a special box for deliveries. It's called okamochi. You can still see this special box in front of the ramen shop. And at the time, they use a special pipe called charumera. After enjoying the ramen, don't forget to buy souvenirs to your friends and families. The museum shop is next to the exit. I'm sure you can find unique souvenirs for ramen lovers. Let's see, you can buy food magnets or food key holders. Oh, look at that! It's a chopsticks and chopstick rests. Cute! You can also buy different types of egg noodles. Ramen came from China, but Japanese people localized their own ramen. Now it's famous all around the world. My hometown is famous for Kitakata ramen. If you want to know more about ramen and the ramen museums, please check Rahaku TV. Thank you for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope you will visit ramen museums when you come to Japan. And if you want to learn how to make ramen, I do ramen and gyoza classes here in Tokyo, Japan. So please check and contact me. I'm looking forward to meeting all of you here in Tokyo. So that's all for today. So see you next time. Bye bye.